Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best carpet stretcher is probably one of the most essential tools for achieving a professional carpet installation, ensuring tight, wrinkle-free results that dramatically enhance the look of any room. In this video, we will review the top carpet stretchers available on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you choose the perfect tool for your next home improvement project. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast tackling your first carpet installation. Number 5. MaxWorks 80742 Carpet Stretcher. This carpet stretcher is designed to make your carpet installation easier and more efficient. Its innovative features will help you achieve professional-looking results. It features a 4-section grip head with 16 adjustable steel spikes. These spikes provide superior grip on the carpet, ensuring a secure and wrinkle-free installation. With 7 adjustable height settings up to 5/16" it can accommodate various carpet thicknesses. You can easily adjust it to fit your specific needs. The handle telescopes to 4 different lengths, from 18 to 12 inches to 21 to 12 inches. This allows you to find the most comfortable and efficient working position. It includes an extra-large rubber bumper and a heavy-duty rubber grip handle for added comfort and control during use. The convenient knob makes adjusting the height of the steel spikes a breeze. It's built with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and a power coat finish for long-lasting durability and resistance to wear and tear. This ensures years of reliable performance. The 5 to 3/8" steel wide head ensures maximum grip on the carpet, making the installation process smoother and more efficient. You'll love the results. What we like. It features multiple height settings and a telescoping handle for customized comfort and reach. If you need versatility for different carpet thicknesses and heights, this is the perfect choice. Its strong grip ensures a secure hold, making it ideal for various carpet types and installation scenarios. What people say. This made the job so much easier. Worked like a charm and was very strong and durable. Yup, my elderly father gives this stretcher an A+. He used it right out of the box to fix the carpet in his bedroom. He says it's easy to adjust, has strong teeth, and the cushion is firm. The stretcher is easy on his octogenarian knees and elbows. This is a heavy-duty knee kicker carpet stretcher. Great for artificial grass installations too. Number 4. Tyler 18 Economy Stretcher 8605. Introducing the Tyler 18 Economy Carpet Stretcher. It makes stretching loose carpet a breeze during installation. Its angled teeth provide a secure grip. The forward angled teeth firmly grip and hold your carpet, ensuring a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. This makes for a professional-looking installation every time. This stretcher features a foam comfort bumper pad and a soft grip handle to protect your knees and hands during use. Work comfortably and efficiently. It's built with lightweight aluminum and metal for rugged strength and durability. It's tough enough for the job, yet easy to handle. This non-adjustable knee kicker is perfect for low-profile carpets. It's the simple, effective solution for your carpet installation needs. Get professional-looking results with minimal effort. This tool is designed to simplify your carpet installation process. What we like. This lightweight design is easy to maneuver, and the protective pad adds comfort. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use stretcher for smaller jobs or low-profile carpets, this is a great option. Its lightweight nature makes it perfect for quick installations and less strenuous work. What people say. Stretching and locking the carpet down takes a little practice, but it's not hard. Worked flawlessly on my maiden attempt to install a stair runner. This worked well for removing the wrinkles from the low-pile carpet in my renter's house. Its aluminum frame is lightweight but strong. The teeth have a good grip and do not bend or break. Number 3. Roberts 10-254V Power-Lok Stretcher Kit. This kit makes carpet stretching easier than ever. It's got everything you need for a professional finish. Stretch up to 38 feet with the included extension tubes. It handles even the largest rooms with ease. The swivel head allows for precise stretching in any direction, even around corners. It's incredibly versatile. It features variable pin penetration, so it works perfectly with carpets of all thicknesses. No more guesswork. This kit includes a power unit, wheeled tail block, 6 extension tubes, a quick lock tube, and a durable carrying case with wheels. Everything you need is right here. Get the perfect carpet installation every time. This is the ultimate tool for professional carpet installers and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. It boasts an extendable design and a swivel head for reaching far corners and angles. If you need to stretch large carpets or work in tight spaces, this is your best bet. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of carpet installation projects. What people say. This is a great stretcher, I use it every day, everything works as it should, buttons on tubes are easy to push and slide, lever action is smooth, wheels on foot make OT one-man easy to stretch in a house. Worked for our needs. My love really liked the results. We did like the product. We had a ripple in the hallway carpet and it was easily fixed. Number 2. Roberts 10-128 Carpet Stretcher. This is the Roberts 10-128 Carpet Stretcher, a tool designed for professional carpet installation and repair. It's made to make your job easier and more efficient. Say goodbye to frustrating wrinkles and uneven seams. It provides the leverage you need for perfect results every time. This tool is perfect for matching patterns and creating seamless transitions in your carpet installations. It's built to last and is a valuable asset for any professional. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand the demands of daily use. You can trust it to perform consistently. The precise design of this stretcher allows for accurate and consistent stretching. It gives you the control you need for a flawless finish. It's manufactured in Taiwan, known for its high standards of quality and craftsmanship. You're getting a superior product. What we like. Insufficient information provided to create a compelling promotion. More details are needed on the key features and benefits of this product. What people say. Solid unit and helpful with carpet repairs. It's small and very easy to carry around and it doesn't lack in power. This will pull bubbles out of carpets no problem and will stretch carpet tight as a drum. This is a great tool that is built well. Number 1. Roberts 10-254 Carpet Stretcher. This kit makes carpet installation easier than ever. It's designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Extended up to 23.5 feet with the included extension tubes. Reach those hard-to-reach areas with ease. The steel handle provides excellent grip and control, while the foam protector keeps your walls safe from damage. Its swivel head allows you to stretch carpet in any direction, perfect for corners and angles. Get professional results every time. Everything you need is included: power unit, wheeled tail block, extension tubes, and a convenient carrying case. It's ready to go right out of the box. It features variable pin penetration, so it works perfectly with carpets of various thicknesses. Get a consistent, professional stretch every time. What we like. It offers an extendable design and a swivel head for reaching various areas, while the protective pad keeps walls safe. If you value both reach and wall protection during installation, this is a great choice. Its features make it suitable for various carpet types and installation scenarios. What people say. Laid carpet in 2 rooms. Worked great. Best to watch how-to videos for tricks when using. Like never stretch straight across, and why. 6 jobs down, paid for itself 3 times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.